Shimane, a mythological land. A place where the ancient gods gather. In the past, a malevolent god descended onto this land. After slaying a giant, 8-headed snake, he acquired Ama no Murakumo no Tsurugi, the sword of the gathering of clouds of heaven. This story became a legend in this land and is passed down to this very day. It's said that this is where Japanese iron originated and where Tatara iron making began. This is why we have a strong will. This is why pride in our work is absolute. Inheriting the techniques of our predecessors, we move forward to a new stage. At present, SUSANOO Group is made up of 7 enterprises. Each enterprise brings with them specialized technology and equipment. Because of this, our group has abundant strengths. We possess machining equipment to support any size. We have a high degree of technical skill and can process difficult-to-cut materials. We contribute to the environment through a strict disposal management system for wood waste and scraps. We have the coordination to support needs other than machining. With our unique group system and the connections between the technical skill of each enterprise, we aim to enter into the aeronautics industry. Izumo Zoki Company Limited. Starting with our extrusion tools, which boast the largest market share in Japan, we specialize in machining of large superheat-resistant steel parts and are well equipped with many machines to support large parts. With abundant experience and know-how, we take pride in our high degree of reliability, from processing materials to product completion. Nakasa Company Limited. We are best known for our moldless precision casting prototyping technology. We laminate the powder and use a lost wax casting method for evaporative pattern casting. Doing this makes it possible to drastically reduce development and production time. From development assistance to mass production, we are able to provide consistent support. Hada Seiko Company Limited. We specialize in the machining of ring-shaped parts of various sizes and are able to keep the structure from deforming after machining, even for the thinnest rings. We also possess the technology for composite grinding that grinds each surface in one processing step, along with the ability to perform heavy cutting of difficult-to-cut materials up to 15 tons. Our number one quality is our degree of precision, from machining to operations management. Fadeco Corporation. When it comes to strength, it comes down to the smallest details of the machined product. From one piece to hundreds of thousands of pieces, our secret is that we can support orders of any size. We are able to do this through an effective production system of over 100 automatic lathes. We can support any range of requests swiftly through automated processing and can provide highly precise machining, even for complexly shaped parts. Makata Industry Incorporated. We easily cut through difficult-to-cut materials with the biggest large-scale saw in Japan. Additionally, along with the machining of particularly thick steel pieces and the lathing of long parts, we also boast accomplishments in 3-dimensional complex cylindrical processing using our complex machining equipment. We are always focused on improving our technical capabilities as we continue to challenge ourselves. Moria Cutlery Laboratory Limited. Our founder was a craftsman of Japanese swords. He started our company to provide machine parts with his skills, including heat treatment. He already died, but we are still keeping his thorough mind for high quality. And we've also been glowing new technologies for over half a century. We believe our heritage brings you advantage. Kiguchi Techniques Incorporated. We are specialists in materials testing in a broad range of fields. With our state-of-the-art equipment, we offer a variety of testing services, such as creep, stress rupture, fatigue, and tensile testing. We provide reliable test results to customers with our well-established quality assurance systems. The SUSANOO Group aims to establish an integrated production system, carrying out material procurement machining and testing together in order to reduce costs and minimize machining times while ensuring high product quality. Moreover, we provide optimal coordination to meet our customers' wishes through the thorough support of the SUSANOO office, allowing for a smooth flow from order to delivery. Since we are a corporate group, we have a capable system here in place. With the clear strengths that our group possesses and the pride that we have in our steel origins, SUSANOO is taking off.